Ebusia for the corner show so and I do so our attention TV so now them say the corner show there the entertainment discussion and everyone as I would say the corner show there and some I won't say yeah ye dey time komo person Ghana for be hu and yen attention TV e rebre mu ekofa sansem no eba na let me pandit me ne be hwen komo e Bismarck na Bismarck akoye no honwum tini ye na ye hwe nwum to side no AK son stress e dey nsem ya beto abonten say eh Ghana for akwai some PM yesin Jonathan by kwasa monte Nigeria ana ye start e de nyum no Nigeria honum de e publish bia ma nyum no asa ejiji di na Ghana for de aso mu hu me kra ai na hu sensem bebre kawe hu ana ye de bro e wo the corner show eso medi ane akosia sparkles one of some asne e University Foundation bro nya be mesraw entare na wo mpen wo de show na asa na to awai no mobrowa wona weni bie kunafo omo de de kocho mambeda asapapa ye na nyankopon ehira obenya no e 0548302985 0548302985 bro nya so be yunku na asa no entade na pepa no pacho bro nya dra ye ton tare fofo ye ton pabo afoforo o de sem na no kra ope na nya wo yusu ye do ene wo skin na nje nya system na wo system we na wo de wani ekopie mu e wo ablekuma agape tarazo oho ana ubehu na teas boutique and cosmetic oho nom ana ubenya no na sa wontimi enso nkoho de betimi afre no e wo 0242 631 620 0242 631 620 aine attention the corner show so eni mi twa me ho aba me ba sisi ha Ebusia for me that se papa yes wonya bre digital wakunyum e de twa me ma me twa me ho sema pe e de buy attention TV ni ye ai we inspire mo na me kai wo se won subscribe ya na wa subscribe ama me na wa sanso ahia ma obi nsa aka video bi so na me kan no ene the corner shows some Bismarck will say or artist or some say producer and music producer our demo has say no ebe twetwen komo na AK Sunstrix ka sem bi and Jonathan one more munim say friend AK Sunstrix no Jonathan Jonathan your boy Jonathan asema oka ene say Ghana fo bi no mo akoye say Ghana hanu say no say artist bi eba na say or the nyum bi ebeto abonten na controversies enka ho de asa nyum no more hype na nyum ya obo ye omokoye bibia e wo Nigeria ho no kra na akoye say obo nyum no kra ma Nigeria fo nzumi ken ye Ghana hanu ya na obo nyum no na so mu wie no Nigeria ho no kokoye promotion na so eki uba nyom no wa ha na ade tina na nyom no ko Nigeria nya ha ya na ka so promote nyom no cause me kai papa say o stand sembe to abonten say Jonathan ba ye Ghana fo ye nse da so mu ye na a hit power Nigeria and ka wo stress say wona we TikTok no ene nyoma ne de Jonathan no be ye ne zame na afa di adem ba Ghana fo ne o kan ni na ne say ai Ghana ha no mu say no say controversy bi nka nyoma wo chro ye no ana beat na enye fast because e Jonathan ye da form pa Ghana for so I say ye pekus ye pe izim anu bi na ye pe AK Sunstress ka say controversies enka enyum ho a akoye say Ghana for ye hype ene Bismarck e wo hanu say as a producer any artist a obetwetwe ye mu AK Sunstress nyum no ekoye too down ana new producer nyum no one producer ni ye beat no de ma Jonathan no anything na Ghana for ye engine to mu no ana the big e wo ho a ye nim ana say Bismarck ma wakwa aba
that's it
na me de say bibia eboko production to say
bibia
eboko na o sisiri ye bro nya ye beko yiye wa ho
bro nya ye hwe
na me fasa ma pre Merry Christmas and I Merry Christmas ni no
say once you ready December mu the Christmas
and I Happy New Year and na Bismarck me hwe AK Sunstress o producing you me there AK Sunstress ka say Ghana hanu mu say no o bonyum na say wan fa controversy bi akra ndi echira hype Ghana for ye nti just so no kra na
Well, only Ghana for before say even though we are there kind still they try to talk about it. And your friend is saying say as a artist and I say your friend saying music producer and I say obi releasing your out there are some 1 or 2 factors be you have to look and I say consider. Okay, so the reason why Ghanaians for complain be wa friend saying the voice and I see the key now use maybe it went wrong. They say Emilia Brobe there now. A friend or the bar.
Make up yeah, Fameka.
Anna, the thing is maybe the time and I see beat no so account. And before say so we listen you the music has to be meaningful, very understandable. Or TV cannot tell you now. And you made it good and you made it that be and you made it because Ghana and you Biana we release it out time for and I see DJs be every so I think these are 1 or 2 things maybe Ghanaians for looking or more try say or more complaints
because yes Jonathan I say oko high pitch Jonathan
and was it one thing I say Nigeria for say omu bibia and as we bibia like they push very hard.
Yeah, or the young crack compare Nigeria for say and yes son Nigeria for it's Nigeria try to help each other.
Yeah.
But Ghana handle
even Nigeria so yeah and you na the can or back oh bro you do or you sport.
Oh Ghana had yan come. Even like the family ko ba ye hu ana. Zane ha. Family make up you.
You condemn straight, but Nigeria no be motivate you.
Okay.
So I try say be motivate. Do any the can to no be try say be push very hard. So I say yeah, the same thing so complies to me. Me so me and your man be the quiet boy so nye. But as time goes on, Charlie guys, oh boy, why are they? So this kind of also putting much more effort now. I think that's it.
As someone can say, okay, Nigeria for so more.
Yeah, that's it. And I'm saying, even though and you need a say beat me can there, and I say you can the cana, you just take it like that.
But Ghana handle
one corner.
But to pay one corner.
So I think that's it. Yeah.
Yembisa, we produce obi tro nyum ba den na wo hwe wonyum mo ansana waka say enyum we me produce am.
Okay, so be the nyum ba sometimes no a friend saying music is a daily and I say everyday activity.
Okay.
You to be tro nyum maybe based on nyuma wo and I say maybe story be and I say like nyuma CB or the better as not your composing nyum no. And also be so to nyum and also be person record here cause so nyum no understandable because nyum biana because at the end you know nyum start 50 okay you say at the end point you know see say
okay
because nyum bi any complete and music has to be completed so as I say that's it
until when nyum ni bia yeah artists for ni bia to any completed I because I half completed.
It first engineer no and as a producer no. It depended and the pakono chonyum no. It depended bo artist bo who you producer na catch ye ni say ko say obeji say that be because juma me ba be tia kantino dem dia ba no e ko say wo ye ni sa pepepe mame. But on say producers no ye try to think ahead. A dream queche say okay yenye ni say artist bo okay oti ase be bo no once or no atro na nyo na be che no friends onyo na wo tro ne lyrics ema no so I say that's it
until Kenya we produce how many songs now produce so far and I want to mean kind bro pepe that's na me be say there's a door so papa year.
And you need doors, but you need an idea about out.
Okay,
yeah, you need doors.
It's the best.
Oh, and you me person me.
Oh, maybe I bear 2, bear 3, bear 5.
Oh, okay. So far no, and you the F5, but I think that 2 and I'm there about your friends. I may work 1 or 2 B.
One out try and so be not try.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Wait, we a producer and one cast sound so try.
Aside being a music producer, I'm side actor count.
My actor.
Yeah.
What inspired the 3 things that you are doing? Because say no, yeah, maybe no everybody school. You pursue go school, but I quite say what then you producing, singing, and acting. Yeah. What is inspiring you?
So before you get into something, as in the entertainment industry, you have to look at the people, what the people want.
Okay.
Yeah, what the people want. O say Ghana, ubo what not say our but oh hear something to at least just oh hear some relief be from the moon. So as I say, so what was the question again?
What inspired you?
What inspired me? Okay, so the thing is, once you see I'm fire any so it's all your way now. I won't say no, say delay, and I say sometimes no, it like it delay and sana you get some income there, they just switch to the other side. So as I said, be over 3 years now to me set here, but at least you have to take only one, then just ignore the 2. I get me here for Ghana there. It's all about business. It's all about business. Though education too is important. So it's all about business. So you just focus on the other side, then you just get your money.
So how many movies now they are about out?
Okay, so I'm yet. I think say my 1 movie, but for me, personally, it's a theater. Theater. Yeah. I think say the last performance I'm here on National Theatre was around 2019 before the lockdown.
What was the movie about?
Okay, so the title was Red Light.
Okay.
Yeah, Red Light. It's about hospital scene that the friends nurse near wo ya ni ba ko ka bibi an ba ni nia o ko hwe ni mame ana ka ebo no ana nkofo bi ehu friends lady no mrache ni ko hospital no to the same hospital and I get on the call. But my many be share friends lady no or ye kokwasa. Yeah. Joanna boys no dey lady no call hospital said that be enfa the bag ni enhwe. It almost share my many picture nurse now one share patients no buy no to na any ban.
And Che be an playwright about I didn't say me a better abonting, ye nyum but ye way, me be question way, oh yeah, stage playing one there. Yaka stage player, what is the yanka say? Energy bang any yakasika from amount bang a type of stage play. Why you victim ya, why you stage play?
Okay, so the difference between stage play and as a theater, the difference between theater and a movie, you know, I think the theater involves a lot.
Okay.
Theater involves a lot. Say a for National Theatre per se, you have to book because who book it, place no. And who book you know, your friends who buy a ticket for your friends who upcoming show no. We have a advert so I can mark for your friends. I sell it out. And our friends who bring here more sponsors.
Okay.
More sponsors. So I can buy say who buy your friends a movie side now. And over pay location maybe as over down 1 or 2 a then we try see now about no edit. And at theater one thing say theater no friends say the audience are watching you.
Okay, so it's a straight thing.
Yes,
no mistake.
And say theater no, if you mess with the stage too mess with you, because theater you are who redo lines no one by one the same thing.
If I being count.